start off by showing you my tank and how these frags are growing on my new rack. I'm going to show you guys how to build this rack. It's a really easy rack to build and it'll hold 72 frags. There's a lot of ways of cutting the plexiglass. I happen to use my wet saw because I happen to have it handy. So we're going to take our 24-inch by 12-inch piece, 5 3/4 inches wide by 12 inches. If you take your time with this, you'll get a nice smooth cut. Don't try to force it through, and make sure when you get to the end you go really slow so you're not going to chip the corner off. I left 1.5 inches in between the holes to allow for a 1 1/4 inch plug. Okay, so here we have our 3 pieces, 24 holes each for a total of 72 holes. And we have 9 pieces of 2-inch long rod and 3 pieces of 6 3/4 inch long rods. Okay, now we're going to take 2 of our shelves and we're going to take our weld-on 4 and we're going to glue 3 2-inch rods onto the bottom of each of them. You can measure if you want it perfect. I did not do that, I just spaced them by eye. Next, we're going to take one of our pieces, which has the legs on it, and attach it to our third piece, which we did not glue legs to. We'll use the second piece to balance it and keep it level while we glue it. After that, we're going back to our third piece and we're going to attach the 3 2-inch rods to the bottom of that. Use the other pieces as a guide to line up the rods in the same position. Make sure to leave a little bit of time in between to allow the posts to dry to the frag rack. Now we're working on the rack upside down. We're going to attach the last frag rack with legs on it, and then we're going to begin putting in the support legs on the back of the rack. Decided to put an additional 4 legs on the rack to support the center section and the bottom section. So here we have the finished product, and it looks very nice. I would allow this to dry for at least 24 hours before placing it in your tank.